Okay, so we'll start. Okay, so I hope you have not forget about what we have learned in the last lecture, because almost 1 week is over uh, for our lecture, right? Due to programs, innovative programs, right? So we are not able to conduct the lecture. Now I will go and revise once again. Instead of theoretical part revising, I will go with program, so that it will like save our time. Okay. Uh, is screen visible? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. Yes. Okay. So what we have learned, we have started with the function unit, right? In the function, basically we have start with why we required or why we are using function in the program. Okay. The first importance is to make a complete program or into the sub task, or like the program, a complex program should be divided into the sub tasks to resolve the complexity. म्हणजे एखादं जर if we are having a huge program, or you can say the complex program, we can solve those complex program by solving sub modules in the program. Let's say if I wish to make a calculator, then I should know about what is addition function, what is subtraction function, what is multiplication, and what is division function, right? So one completely I cannot go with the direct implementing the calculator unless and until I understood what is plus operator, minus, into, and division operator. Okay, so that is how we are using this, like dividing a complex task into the subtask in the function part. This is one way, and second is to reuse the code as and when we required. Let's say if I write uh, a function for the addition, whenever I require, I can access those part of a function into my program. Okay, code reusability and like resolving the complexity. These two purposes are there for using the function in the programs. Okay, so what are the important things we should know in the function? A function should be declared. Okay, here I will write. And what are the different parts of function? Functionच्या parts कुठले? Okay, here I will write in the comment. One is return type. Return type. Then, sorry. Then function name, and open and close round brackets. And here again optional is what? Your parameters or arguments. So I will write here parameters. Okay, and okay, this is what the function declaration. ह्याला काय म्हणतात? Function declaration. So here I'm going to create one function. Let's say as like we discussed now about the calculator, so I will write here the function with, yes, function with addition name. Okay, now based on the return type, we have two different types of function, and based on the parameters, again we have two different types of function. In the last lecture we have revised, right? If I pass the return type in form of like void, so the return statement will not be there in the function body. Function body मध्ये return statement येणार नाही, so function will not return any value. But if apart from void, if I write this integer type of function as like of integer main, then my function that like main, it should return some value. Okay, so these are the two types, and based on the parameters, when I pass the parameter, it called it as parameterized function. And when I don't pass any parameter like this way, this is a default function. Okay, याला default function म्हणतात किंवा non parameterized function. Return, non-return, parameterized, non-parameterized. These are the four kind of function. Okay, so out of this, I'm going to write with void. Let's say I have Okay, I will make it as a short add function. Okay, here I have declared. Okay, here I will make in the comment function declaration. In the main body of main function, I need to call the function with only the name of function. ज्यावेळेस आपण फंक्शन कॉल करायचे तर ते कसं करणार, फक्त त्या फंक्शनच्या नावाने. Okay, I hope you remembering this. Here, while calling, at the time of calling the function, return type is not required. Okay, here I will mark it as function call. And what this function should do, या function ने काय केलं पाहिजे, that is nothing but the function body or the function definition. And function ची definition लेताना, then again I need to pass the return type, the name of function, and it has a body. What this function should do. Okay, या function ने काय केलं पाहिजे ते इथं सांगेल. Okay, so okay, integer a is equal to 10 equal to 20, c is equal to a plus b. Out addition equal to c. Okay, now I'm going to, here I have not make as a comment function. Okay, so just check. Okay, I don't want this hello to be print again and again. Okay, just check. Addition is equal to 30. When I call this add function, my compiler will go and check what this add function should do. Here add function ni काय केलं पाहिजे, and it found the body of this add function. Here I have declared 3 variables. I have initialized 3 variables: a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and c. Here I have done some calculation part. C is equal to a plus b, and I have printed the value of c variable. When the function get called, it executes the body of this function, and it will return to this return the result to this function, and या फंक्शनचा रिझल्ट कुठे मिळेल तुम्हाला, आउटपुट मध्ये. Okay, I think last time we have executed the greet function, right? So are you remembering? Hello, hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you can execute this and send me the screenshot, and then we'll go with the next. Okay, so I will remove this. Okay, I will keep this for your understanding, these comments. Okay, so I'm going to put this link in the chat box. Just click on the link and send me the screenshot. Yes, start executing the program of function. Don't take much time. Okay, so I'm expecting you should share me this screenshot in 5 minutes. Okay, so start executing, start writing the program for addition function. Just click on the link and start doing it. Okay, I will post one more time the link in the chat box. Execute the program which is there on the screen and send me the screenshot. Yes, do it fast. Good. Almost two of you have submitted me. Do it fast. Don't take this much time. Okay, great. So I received the output from some of you. Still, I guess some of you are doing it, right? So I can't give this much time. Already I told you to 5 minutes, but now almost 10 minutes are over, and like still you are doing. You need to improve on the programming practice, right? Okay, so what we will do now, as this is what not parameterized kind of function. So now here I'm trying with passing some parameters. Okay, so before this, yes, is everybody looking at the screen? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone, are you looking at the screen? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So what I will do now, I will go for the second type of function now. Okay, addition. Now I will go with multiplication. Okay, so for this, I'm going to use the integer type of return type as a integer. Then here I will use multiplication mul, and here I'm going to pass some parameters. Multiplication, minimum 2 values are required, right? Minimum 2 values are required for the multiplication. So here I will use two variables, let's say integer a comma integer b. Okay, so this is what I have declared the function of name multiplication having two parameters and the return type is integer. When I say other than void, that means my body of the function must contain this return statement. Okay. Okay, so what I will do it here, I'll write the body of this multiplication and then I will call. Okay, here. Okay, multiplication of a and b is required to be carried out. So here I will write return a into b. Directly I will pass instead of like adding one more here. What you can say, uh, one more variable and putting those values into that variable and having this. Directly I will call a into b. Whatever the result is there, it result should return when the function gets called. Okay, after addition, here I will write cout for next line, that is slash n. Okay,